Hi viewers, today we will discuss on train accident liars. You know that every day lot of the passenger train transport millions of the people across the worldwide, across the country, into and out of the cities and across state lines. These passenger trains are operated by computer lines as work as Amtrak. According to the websites, Amtrak alone serves more than 500 destinations in 46 states with over 21,000 miles of the route. Dear viewers, you know that unfortunately, train accident on these carriers are all too common. Example of such railroad accidents including train train hitting tractors, trolleys, and cars at crossings, trains hitting pedestrians, and collisions with other trains. But if we will talk about the train accident lawyers, I will highly recommend it to you Doran Murphy. Doran Murphy attorneys at law. They having the number like 716-216-0222 for free case consultations. And if we will talk about the toll free number 855-582-5951, this is the we can say that railroad injury attorneys. And dear viewers, if we will discuss on different points what to do if a train is about to crash. Actually, if a train is approaching, walk away from the tracks in the direction of the oncoming train. It's very important. Viewers, lot of the people don't care about that one, but I will recommend to you walk away from the tracks in the directions of the oncoming train. It's very important to be prepared for the worst case scenario, your car getting hit, and avoid any possible debris. What are the common type of the rail accident? Dear viewers, you know that common collisions with other trains, collision with the railway, debris, explosions are machine related errors. And if we will talk about what is the biggest cause of injury on the railway, actually causes of the train accident, what are the causes? Main important causes I will tell you about. One is train speed of the train is also main cause of the train accident. Then mechanical fault, mechanical errors are coming many times, and reckless pedestrian and the drivers human error can also be occurred, and negligence of the operator, you can say that. And what is the we can say, is it possible to survive in the train crash? Actually, you know that where is the safest place on the train? The safest spot in a train during accident is the center of the train, because center of the train is the safest point during the accident. And what is the serious accident in railway? Actually consequential train accident